Excuse me. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, your light was on, so I just, yeah, that one. It was on, so I just, I climbed up. I wanted to thank you for helping me get the job.
Yes, of course. Toulouse was right. You're very talented. I better go. We will have a big day tomorrow.
Wait, before you go, well, last night when you thought I was the Duke and you said you loved me, was that part of the act?
Yes, of course.
It felt so real.
Christian, I'm a courtesan. I'd hate to make them believe what they want to believe.
Silly of me. To think that someone like you could fall in love with someone like me.
I can't fall in love with anyone.
You can't fall in love? A life without love? That's terrible.
No, a life on the street. That's terrible.
No, love is like oxygen. All you need is love.
Please don't start that again.
All you need is love.
A girl has got to eat.
All you need is love.
Or she will end up on the street.
All you need is love. Love.
Love is just a game.
I was never loving you, baby. You were never loving me.
The only way of loving me, baby, is to pay a lovely fee.
Just one night, give me just one night.
There's no way, 'cause you can't pay.
In the name of love. One night in the name of love.
You crazy fool, I won't give in to you.
Don't leave me this way. I can't survive without your sweet love, oh baby. Don't leave me this way.
You think that people would have had enough of silly love songs?
Well, I look around me and I see it isn't so. Oh no.
Some people want to fill the world with silly love songs.
Well, what's wrong with that? I'd like to know. 'Cause here I go again. Love is just a way we belong. Where eagles fly on the fountain high.
Love makes us sound like we're fools. Throw our lives away for one happy day.
Just for one day.
You'll be me,
No, I won't.
and I'll drink all the time.
We should be loved.